feeling. Ooh, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me naked, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's the Brittany B. If you are new, hit the subscribe button right here. Also hit the notification button. Welcome back, you guys. Today I have a different type of wig for y'all. I have a lace front wig, and I actually took my time, y'all, to do it. So if I look crazy, I'm sorry. Y'all know I don't do lace front wigs, but I was really interested in doing this wig. So this wig is from ReadyWig. It came in this adorable box that got smushed. It's so cute. Super cute box. I love the packaging, even though it's smushed. But this is a really cute package, pink and black little package. It also came with a Ready card to show you their social media information and all their care tips. So I'll have their information in the link below. But right now, I just got it kind of pulled up into a ponytail, some down in the back. But if you want to see how I got this look, just tune in and get straight into the video. So here's how the wig looks directly out the box. It's just a body wave wig. It's not plucked or anything, and it's not tinted. It's just how it looks straight out the box. So right here, I'm attempting to pluck it and make baby hairs. Plucking literally takes forever, so I didn't really pluck it that much, but I did cut off some of the baby hairs and just try to make it look like more realistic around the edges. Right now, I am just putting a cap on my head. I know that is black, and y'all probably thinking, why did I use a black cap? But that's all I had at the house. I just used freeze spray, got to be glued freeze spray, and I also used the got to be glue gel. I'm just letting that dry. It was almost dry right here. So now it's finally fully dry. It took about 20 minutes to get it fully dry with the blow dryer. I also laid it around a minute because it takes so long for it to dry, especially with the got to be glue gel and the spray both on there. But anyway, I'm going to cut around my edges, cut off the excess cap around my edges and around my ears, and let y'all see me cut it for a minute, and then I'm going to speed this video up some. trying to get used to it and trying to work with it to make it look cute. I'm not really used to lace front wigs, especially with none of my hair being left out. So y'all work with me while I try to get my edges together. Okay, y'all, so this hair is extremely full. Usually with synthetic wigs, they're a little bit on the thin side, but this hair is actually very full, and it's very realistic. It's not extra silky, and it's very realistic. The texture of it looks like and feels like human hair. When I got this hair in the mail, I thought that it was human. I was like, did they mistakenly give me a real wig? But this is synthetic hair, but it looks just like body wave real hair. I sprayed it with water to give it like this little wet look. But this hair is really nice, y'all, and really affordable. I have the price on the screen right here and in the description box. But ReadyWig has so many different types of wigs, y'all. Like, all types of wigs. And the texture of this hair, I can't get over how human it feels. Really full. Let me scoot back. So full. But yeah, this wig came extremely fast. I think they sent it FedEx. It came so fast. It came in like 2 days. So I definitely recommend this wig. If y'all have any other questions, make sure you hit me up and hit the link in the description box, and I'll talk to you on my next video.